Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to give a feedback to the developers in the AirAsia application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. You wait a little until it loads in. And after that, once you are in the home page, you should look at the upper left corner and you will see there a symbol with your initial. Press on it. Wait a little and then scroll down and you will find there the feedback option. Press on that and you should press here the first option, which is share feedback. After doing so, you have to select here an emoji that represents your satisfaction with the app. For example, this little smiley emoji here. Then you can write here a detailed response that you basically about your experience with this app. If you want to, you just write anything that you want here. And once that is done, you can attach a screenshot if you want. If not, you can just press on the submit button and your feedback will be given to the dues. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.